Hi trailer friends, this is Mike from Ocala Trailer. Excited to show you a new trailer we have in our lineup of trailers. The Timpte EZ Load Trailer. Press a button and it drops to the ground. The feedback we get from our customers is they want a versatile trailer with a low approach angle, no ramps, and be able to pull it with a smaller tow vehicle. The Timpte EZ Load checks all of those boxes. What do you want to load? You have a little sports car? Easy load with a Timpte trailer. No ramps, low approach angle. Let's show it. Loading a three-wheeler on a ramp trailer requires buying an extra ramp, and then where do you stow it? On the Timpte, no ramps, no problem, man. What about a low supercar? Is that gonna fit? I don't know. Let's give it a try. Drop her to the ground. And drive her in. Some of us big boys have big toys. Load both for the price of one. You got a fridge on a dolly you need to load, or a heavy toolbox? Low approach angle, no ramps. It's easy. Just strap her down and you're ready to go. The EZ Load car hauler is available in 20 or 18 feet. It comes standard as an all aluminum trailer with aluminum wheels and built-in L-track to tie your car down. Common options are a winch, the nose guard, a solar charger, and a spare tire. We can also add a tire rack on your trailer also. And how do you like my tow vehicle? You don't need a dually to pull your trailer. This trailer weighs 1,780 pounds and has a 5,000 pound cargo capacity. So you see, you need a Timpte trailer. Give us a call or come and see us at ocalatrailer.com, part of the Burnyzz Motorsports Complex.